Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with AndroidAppsReview.com, and today we're taking a look at Mortgage Calculator, which is a handy utility for calculating the total interest and total cost of mortgages. It's available to download from Google Play for $1, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. I went ahead and entered a bit of information into Mortgage Calculator, and you'll need 4 basic pieces of info in order to use the app. First is the property value, so the total value of the house that you're looking to buy, current interest rate for the mortgage that you are researching, total amount you can put toward a down payment, and the life of the loan. So once you've entered all of that information into Mortgage Calculator, you press the Calculate button, and the app will go to work. So here you can see Mortgage Calculator calculated the total interest that you'll pay over the life of the mortgage and the total cost of the mortgage over 30 years, including interest. And you can also swipe through Mortgage Calculator and see a month-to-month breakdown of how much you're going to pay, principal, interest, and the remaining balance on the mortgage, as well as email a copy of this report to you or someone else via an Excel attachment. You can also swipe through and see a pie chart that gives you a visual representation of how much you'll pay in interest and in principal. There's also a handy summary page that goes into detail regarding how much you'll pay. Mortgage amount is only $135,000 because you put $10,000 toward the down payment. Total interest, cost of the mortgage, what you can likely expect for a monthly payment, how many payments you'll make, and how many years you'll have the mortgage. And you can also change your currency, so Mortgage Calculator is internationally friendly. There's a variety of different currencies you can use with the app. One thing I want to mention is, if you noticed, it does take quite a while to calculate information, and if you happen to rotate your device, if you're using Mortgage Calculator on a phone or something, and it accidentally rotates, you have to wait, quite a few seconds in order to let the app finish calculating. And if you try to re-rotate it, it gets very confused. One of the features I found to be missing from Mortgage Calculator is a way to store calculations, basically. If you're researching multiple mortgages or multiple houses, it can get pretty overwhelming when you're trying to find the right mortgage plan using an app like Mortgage Calculator. So if there was a way to have an option to save, like a button right here or something, to save a calculation, that would be incredible, because it would allow you to keep track of different houses or different mortgage interest rates really easily without having to recalculate everything with the app again. As far as overall thoughts on Mortgage Calculator, I think it's off to a decent start, but it's missing a few features that would make it really stand out from other mortgage calculators that are on the App Store. Mainly the ability to save calculations and store them in the app for later use. Other than that, whether or not I can recommend Mortgage Calculator completely depends on what you, the user, is looking for in a mortgage calculator. But I would say that if you're willing to overlook the relatively long calculation times and the fact that it doesn't store calculations natively into the app, it's definitely worth trying. Again, Mortgage Calculator can be downloaded from Google Play for $1. This has been Sarah Hanlon with AndroidAppsReview.com taking a look at Mortgage Calculator for Android. Till next time.